promise never to leave your side again, but I'm here. Just calm down. Oh my goodness. Sorry.
I love you so much. I love you so much. Please, stay with me.
For as long as you want, baby, because I love you too.
I don't want you to leave my side ever again, please.
I'll not. Just relax. You'll be fine. Okay, I'm here.
I'm so glad that...
No. Don't do that to yourself. Come on. Rest. I'm happy to be here with you. Okay? I promise you, with my whole heart, whatever it is you want, I'll do for you. Okay? You want me to spend the night?
Yes, I want you to. I want you to be by my side always.
Of course I will. Okay?
Thank you.
That's fine. That's my friend. His name is Nedu.
Yes.
My princess, I hope you're getting better.
Yes.
Well, my name is Nedu. And Okechukwu here has been my friend right from primary school days. I'm happy.
My name is Priscilla.
To be here.
It's a pleasure.
Mine too.
I can't even stay.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.